with some rewards for the awards. So we're going to start out with honor flight, and this is going to go off PT scores, flight detail scores, appearance, and stuff like that. So honor flight, 2 LLABs is next month. You just say these for warrior honors, and this bottom honor flight is charter flight. Warrior Flood this month, we based it off of our Warrior Day and Alpha Flight on Warrior Day. So Tuesday morning, fun PT for Alpha Flight. Alright, soccer, no basketball. Okay, so the next award is going to be our Honor GMC Cadet of the Month. And this GMC has been awesome, always enthusiastic in his job, at the debt all the time, smiling, he's happy to be there. He actually leads Enhanced Drill, which is a POC job, so he's doing a great job with it, so Cadet Brian. There you go, Brian.
Buddy, you gotta smile a lot.
So the week after next week, Cadet Ron will be walking around inspecting you for your work knowledge. You may break your bearing. All right, so next we have the Warrior Cadet GMC of the Month. This cadet was the only cadet to max his PFD out of everybody. All push-ups, sit-ups, run time. That's Cadet Anderson.
He's a machine.
And you will have a week of free PT. So we'll find something to leave the afternoon for you. And now we have the GMC of the month. And this cadet is very enthusiastic, always loud, pumped. He's happy to be here, and that's Cadet Merrill. And last but not least is the POC of the month. And this POC has really jumped into his role. He's planned all of our labs very well. He's enthusiastic about it, very organized. Cadet Smith. And Cadet Smith, Cadet Merrill, after LLAB, the image meeting will be decided the recruiting process for your reward. And that is all of our monthly rewards. Give everybody another hand.
Captain Moffat, Master and Board of Health, Good afternoon, cadets. I am Cadet Simmons, and today I'm going to be briefing you on sexual harassment. Today I'm going to define sexual harassment, the Military Equal Opportunity Program, describe the indicators of sexual harassment, how to determine the conflict, informal resolution, and formal resolutions. What is sexual harassment? Sexual harassment is unwelcome verbal or physical behavior of a sexual nature. Sexual harassment is illegal, and both victim and harasser can either be a man or a woman. The Military Equal Opportunity Program, you can read more about it in the AFI 362706, but it basically says the Air Force policy not to condone or tolerate unlawful discrimination or sexual harassment within the armed forces or in the civilian workforce. Indicators: physical contact, squeezing of someone's shoulder or putting a hand around his or her waist. So if you don't like that, then don't do it. It's sexual harassment. But it's all up to the people you're with, but it could make someone else uncomfortable, so just don't do it. Keep it professional. Gestures, making obscene signs with one fingers or hands. Jokes, sexual innuendos. Pictures, displaying scantily clad individuals. This counts for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, so watch out, guys. Terms of endearment: honey, dear, and sweetheart, and questionable compliments, such as, your legs look nice in that blue skirt. Okay, Marilyn, I think you've got a couple of questionable compliments.
Oh, I've got plenty. Cadet Lisi, I like the way your pale legs look in the PT shorts. That's what you don't say.
There you go. How to determine the conflict. What happened? What was the result of behavior? Did it disrupt the environment? And what are your responsibilities? These are the questions that you ask yourself if one of those conflicts happen. So informal resolutions. You can speak with the offender. You can approach the individual in person, but be respectful and stay focused on the behavior and its impact. Keep records. If an event happened, keep record of the event: date, time, location, what happened, what was said, how you felt, and the names of witnesses and other victims. You can write a letter to the offender if you so choose so to do, and make a copy of it. Informal resolutions continued. Ask others. You can ask another person to go speak to the offender with you, or they can intervene on your behalf. Next, you can go to the chain of command, ask for assistance in resolving the issue, or the generic approach, which is the sexual harassment briefing. Okay, formal resolutions. The chain of command, first route before seeking outside resolution like the university, and seek commission staff assistance. The university, a serious investigation will be undertaken to ensure a quality educational environment. That's the last resort. We always want to fix it right here if we can. Summary. Sexual harassment is an unsolicited sexual behavior. If you want to read more about it, you can look in the AFI 362706. It also goes over discrimination of all kinds, such as race and gender. And then the 6 key indicators are physical contact, gestures, jokes, pictures, terms of endearment, and questionable compliments. Remember to ask yourself those 4 questions, and always remember the informal and formal resolutions. This concludes my briefing. Do you have any questions? No? Okay.
All right, that was a great brief. I just want to reiterate, though, Air Force standard on sexual harassment is 0 tolerance. And it's even more important in the environment that you're in right now. Because in college, you may not be thinking from that perspective. You may be thinking, I'm just flirting, or I'm trying to get this person to go out with me, or this is what everybody else is doing, I'm at a party. Well, you're being held to higher standards than everybody else. Right now, you're trying to be in the Air Force. You're trying to get to that point where you're commissioned officers. We expect more of you, and we expect those higher standards. So the excuse of that's just what everybody does at that party, or that's just what's going on, doesn't fly with you like it would maybe somebody else trying to make that excuse. So start getting in that mindset now. Treat people with mutual respect, and you won't have any problems. Stay professional, like that Simmons says, and you won't have any problems. So, but it can become a serious problem for you personally and your career. So just start getting in that mindset now. And watch out for your wingman. Yeah, definitely. If you see something going on, pull them aside. Hook them up. Don't let them get in trouble.
Thank you, Captain Moffett. Flight commanders to control your flights and go to your first GLP.